Introduction to Bill.com API Webhook. The Bill.com API Webhook is a powerful tool that enables developers to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur within the Bill.com platform. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up and utilizing the Bill.com API Webhook, providing you with the knowledge and skills necessary to streamline your workflow and improve your overall efficiency. Setting up the webhook. To start using the Bill.com API webhook, you need to set up a webhook endpoint on your server. This endpoint will receive notifications from Bill.com whenever a specified event occurs. You can choose from a variety of events, such as when a bill is paid or when a vendor is created. Once you have set up your endpoint, you can configure the webhook in the Bill.com API settings. Configuring the webhook. Configuring the webhook involves specifying the events you want to receive notifications for in the endpoint where you want to receive these notifications. You can choose to receive notifications for a wide range of events, including bill payments, vendor creations, and invoice approvals. You can also specify the format in which you want to receive the notifications, such as JSON or XML. Handling webhook notifications. When a webhook notification is sent to your endpoint, your server will receive an HTTP request with the notification details. You can then process this notification and perform any necessary actions, such as updating your database or sending a notification to a user. It is essential to handle webhook notifications securely and reliably, ensuring that you can process the notifications efficiently and accurately. Best practices for using the Bill.com API webhook. To get the most out of the Bill.com API webhook, follow best practices such as verifying the authenticity of incoming notifications, handling errors and exceptions, and testing your webhook endpoint thoroughly. You should also ensure that your endpoint is secure and can handle a high volume of notifications. Conclusion. The Bill.com API webhook is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow and improve your overall efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can effectively utilize the Bill.com API webhook to receive real-time notifications and automate your workflow. With the Bill.com API webhook, you can focus on growing your business and improving your bottom line.